We're with Grant, and he's using the DC711 Combustion Analyzer.
Setting up low and high fire on a Camus Dynaforce. And it's just going through its pre-purge right now. Gotta set it to 20%. And go and try and get 8.5 to 8% CO2 on this. So, pre-ignition test. So my CO2 is definitely high. 8, planning past 9. So I'm going to go to the SKP25 regulator. Back it out a little bit. And we'll see ourselves catch back up here. CO2 is high, so we got a little too much gas going through the valve. Down a good bit. Our CO is dropping. CO2 is a little high there still. This adjusts much faster than the TPI or the test does. Still quite a bit too high. It's just settling out there. Yeah, look at the CO drop.
We're looking at 8 to 8.5% CO2.
Yeah. I find when the CO2 is a little higher in low fire, that's its light off rate, a little more gas. You seem to like the light off. So, alright.
There it is, right in the middle.
18 parts, 15 parts, beautiful. I'll go to high fire.
Let's save that job for the job management though.
Yeah. DC711. I'm going to disappear from the analyzer and go to my phone screen. You can see 8.4, our efficiency, flue probe, everything. Go to create report, flue gas analysis, fuel fire, boiler, 2. Just like that. Pops up there. You can see the values. Save it to job. That's where I just happen to be today. Is that saved now?
That's it.
That's it.
If you want to go back to the analyzer, you can close off the app.
I'm going to close off the app. Pop right back up. So I'll go up to high fire. Hopefully I don't need to adjust it. Test. You can hear it ramping up. Now I'm looking for 8.5 to 9% CO2. It's nice to see that our CO curve is not going crazy while we're running up the high fire. Just checking the drive out. We're still climbing. We're at 50 hertz now, so it's definitely ramping up. We're at high fire. So the manual wants 8.5, 9. I'm happy with under 100 parts and 8.9%. going to dial that back a little bit. Our CO's playing. Just a small adjustment. I don't want to go crazy. And I went the wrong way. I went the wrong way the first time because I forgot how to read. There we go. Drop it back off now. CO is dropping. CO2 is dropping. I'm gonna go a bit more. Give that a minute.
8.7 right in the middle.
Yeah. 53 parts, dropping a little bit, that's great. So I'm going to go back to the app here. Right from the beginning. Back to the analyzer. Start. Tempting, there I am. 8.6, 50 parts. Running great. Stack temp as well because it's a condensing boiler, which is nice. Flue gas analysis. Boiler. 2. Oh. Good job. We're done. And it's right back. Sweet. Stop recording.
Grant, what do you think of the new DC711?
I was about to swear. I think it's awesome. The hook is nice because half the time on the new boilers, everything's made out of aluminum. Can't stick it in anything. So if you need to, you got the hook, especially on Patterson Kellys. It's faster than the Testos are for tracking. Reservoir is right there, which is nice. When you need to empty it, just twist it apart, dump it out. I like this thing a lot more compact. I don't have to carry a briefcase around with me.
How about storing your data on your smartphone or having the remote access?
Yeah. The remote access in the app is really good. The app is like instant hooking up, and it's just way better.
Thanks, Grant.